Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about what is copywriting and how many people are generating tons of money rightly sitting remote from their home and earning in dollars right from India and or wherever in the world. So why it is so a crucial part of every business and what copywriting does plays a role in every aspects of business. So without further ado, let's get started. Just keep in mind that the primary purpose of copywriting is to engage the target audience, communicate the value of the product or the service, and just drive them to take the action through the particular CTA available in the copy format. So copywriting typically consists of one email copy, and other is social media copy, and third one is website copy, and fourth one is video sales letters. So copywriting is the art of a form of persuasive writing that enables the customer to buy or triggers its psychological thinking to buy a product or a service written in the written format. So what copywriting does helps is, for example, if you see a social media ad copy and that triggers your mind and enables you to buy a product or a service online, and that conversion of a process through written format is what all copywriting about. So what can be the key principles in writing effective copy? The number one is just understanding your target audience, who your prospect is, who's your buyer persona, and by doing a typical research through looking through Facebook ads in the meta ad library, by taking a look through swipe files. I'll provide the link in the description below, and through these swipe files you would be able to look at how emails work, how the advertisements that are running successfully generating tons of commissions and tons of revenue for the company. That can be very helpful for you guys. The particular model used in copywriting is ADA, and that's attention, interest, desire, and action. Through these copywriting framework, you can absolutely craft a persuasive and compelling copy for your targeted audience. So most probably a good copy creates a brand awareness and a brand voice while running a Facebook campaign or an Instagram campaign that connects the product and the people through the written format that's known as the copy, and building a brand's identity. So while creating some conversions, which is also known as CTA, call to action, where the customer buys or purchases the product through that. So in that certain ways, copywriting makes a tons of impact on the marketing and advertising business. Moreover, the copy totally relies upon benefits over features. And for example, there's a slight difference between a benefit and a feature while writing a product or a service copy. For example, the benefit explains what the product does for you, actually the desired result for the customer, what that product does, and the feature just explains the surface quality of the product or service. So typically you have to focus on benefits over the features. So particularly the writing techniques and tips involves some powerful words and powerful emotional triggers that targets human behavior such as pain, trust, faith, uh, fear of change, and all these emotional triggers, compiling, creating into a very storytelling format that creates a copy and makes the target audience to buy your product or service. Also, if you are new to copywriting, you can start out by learning through YouTube channels as I told, one is Sapri Subi, second is Neville Medora. He's absolutely a game changer copywriter. So there are some copywriting tools that can be extremely helpful in writing you persuasive and compelling copy. Number one is Grammarly, and it's absolutely a game changer tool. Number two is CoSchedule, as I already told. Number third is Hemingway, and also two more you can add into your copies, but you can extract some values from that. One is copy.ai and another is jasper.ai. So both of these tools I told you are absolutely game changer in writing a compelling copy. And moreover, I would love to add one more thing. You can uh, you can improve your copy knowledge by gaining some wisdom from useful resources. The number one is Boron Letters by Gary Halbert. This man was in prison due to some tax fraud, and he wrote some letters to his son, and that absolutely became the game changer tool in the copywriting industry. I will attach the link in the description below. The second one is for the emotional triggers and powerful words. You can use Joseph Sugarman's book, The Ad Week Copywriting Handbook, and I will also attach the description in the description link for the copy of the book. And third one is Sell Like Crazy by Sabri Subi, and he's absolutely a phenomenal digital marketer, and where you can extract the knowledge of writing emails in this book and writing effective copy for your compelling product or service. The main important thing in a effective copy is crafting a compelling headline that attracts your target audience attention and enables them to open the email, click the email, or open the blog, or open the any sales letter. So headline is absolutely a game changer for copy, and you can absolutely craft your compelling headlines through various AI tools. One of them is CoSchedule, through which you put your headline and it generates a score out of 100, or whether which words are currently unique and which words should be avoided during the copy. Moreover, if you want to go onto the freelancing side, I would love to recommend you to go on Upwork and Facebook groups. You can join Facebook group communities where you can crack some freelance gigs, and you can start as an intern or a small, or if you're just a beginner, you can do some interns on LinkedIn and Facebook group communities. Or if you have some little bit knowledge about writing SEO, so you can go to the Facebook communities and get some small freelance gigs. Otherwise, you can switch to Upwork also, where you can create your personalized template intro for your client using ChatGPT. And one more, there's a YouTuber called Ewan Fisher. He tells everything about Upwork, everything about freelancing, and he does has a paid course also. So you can go to that channel also and learn some insights about doing freelancing work on landing jobs on Upwork. So till then, this was all about the copywriting, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found some valuable insights about it. If you truly appreciate my effort, like, share, and subscribe this video. It would be a very great thumbs up for me. And until then, see you. Bye bye.